Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device meets requirements. Android 9 or newer, at least 3 GB RAM and 2 GB free. Once done, enable sideloading in settings or plan to use ADB. This lets you install packages outside Play Store. Make sure you have an Apple ID and the target app package, typically an IPA for iOS or an Android APK if available. You need trusted sources for files to avoid malware, so verify signatures and checksums before proceeding. Now you handle the complex middle work. Convert or bridge the package. If you only have an IPA, use an emulator or a compatibility layer that maps iOS APIs. Otherwise, grab the APK build. Make sure your device architecture, ARM versus x86, matches the binary. Install required frameworks like Micro-G or compatibility libraries so services work. Use ADB for a clean install or a trusted file manager to sideload the APK. Then immediately set permissions and background run privileges. Finish by launching the app and signing in. Grant runtime permissions and verify push or in-app purchase features. If the app crashes, clear data and cache first, then capture logs with ADB Logcat to identify missing libraries or ABI mismatches. Reinstalling the correct APK build often fixes architecture issues. Make sure battery optimizations are off for that app and keep your compatibility layer updated. If network or authentication fails, double-check date/time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.